Here's a high level overview of the new AI features that have rolled out in Carrot CRM. By far, the number one most requested feature that I've been asked about the last couple of years from investors is the ability to have an AI agent text back and forth with leads to warm them up a little bit, gauge interest on selling, see if you can tee them up to talk to an acquisitions person. In Carrot CRM, we now have that and more to help you spend time not only on the most revenue generating activities, but to spend time with the most high quality leads and just use your time as efficiently as possible inside the CRM with who's actually ready to sell. Typically that's going to be less time in the CRM for yourself and more time leveraging AI. So we really are on the bleeding edge of that, which I'm super, super pumped about. Again, this is by far the number one feature that I've been asked about the last couple of years. So the autonomous lead manager is able to help in two main areas. The first is going to be optional. That's going to be when a lead first comes in. So you guys know I'm huge on the auto response feature, the custom text and email that can get sent to a seller when a lead first comes in. So now you can actually start a conversation with an AI agent as soon as a lead comes in. And you can program, if you guys see that section, autonomous lead managers here, you can have different AI agents with different intent, how they talk, what their end goal is, a bunch of different things that you can program. You'll see in some other videos more in depth. But I'm super pumped about it because as soon as the lead comes in, let's say from the Carrot website, you can just have it start talking with an AI agent. Absolutely amazing. The second aspect of autonomous lead manager is more so maybe how folks are using manual follow-ups and follow-up sequences. You can actually go to a lead and just turn on an autonomous lead manager with one of your autonomous lead manager agents. So you can, again, have those customized with different ones. So you can just start having that AI agent turned on. Currently, right now in beta, we're having you guys review the message before it sends out. So the AI agent will have a message. You can go in there, edit, make sure you give it a thumbs up before it sends out. Once that's trained into your liking, guys, it's exactly what I've been asked about the last couple years, where messages are just getting sent out automatically, and you can check that in its own section where you can see AI messages back and forth, which is really cool. Probably the second most requested feature, guys, would be lead scoring that I've heard from personally. We do have lead scoring on the team plan, our top tier plan for Carrot CRM, and it's 5 different variables currently before the AI enhancements. It's campaigns, so you can see like automatically, for example, an SEO or a PPC inbound lead is in general going to be more valuable than, let's say, like a cold calling lead. Now you can enhance that with pretty much anything that you want, with how much equity is in the property, how long the house has been paid off for, reason for selling. Now you can go into the lead score section here and essentially customize anything that you want and make your own custom lead scores that update. So guys, again, the first two is making sure that you're not losing any communication with leads. You're not missing out on any deals from lack of communication with leads. You're buying back time by having AI talk to these sellers for you, spending your time on the most revenue generating activities, aka talking to the leads that are actually ready to sell. And that also plays in with the lead scoring. So at any time it updates, you can see what leads are the most valuable to you and your team. If you guys are managing salespeople, a big thing for me that I think about is you're keeping those acquisitions or salespeople high morale. You're not burning them out on leads that aren't picking up the phone or not ready to sell. You're ideally putting them in a good situation to have quality conversations as well. So that's one of the things that I lean towards with the AI features too, is keeping your sales, your acquisitions in really, really good morale, talking to leads, keeping their confidence up. And even if you're an individual person, you want to have that same idea too, right? Like I don't want to be talking to cold leads. I want to be talking to people that are warm, ready to go, want to be hearing from me. So those are definitely the two biggest features I've personally heard of from investors the last couple of years, what they want. I'm excited for you guys to check those out. Some other really cool and amazing features, SMS compliance. So that's built into the activity and communication log of Carrot CRM that in real time can check the wording that you're using in text messages and make sure it's compliant. So it's something to keep you safe. It's maybe not as attractive for you guys as the AI lead manager, lead scoring, things like that. but still a super, super important feature. And then another one, guys, this goes along the theme as well of just saving time. If you're anything like me, I love having notes and things that I can refer back to on previous conversations to help build rapport and just get an idea of what's going on with a lead or a prospect, anything like that. With the AI opportunity and seller summaries, you're able to get a really quick glance of what's going on with the lead, and you don't have to go around to multiple sections. You don't have to go in the property details section to see, how many beds, baths, square footage it is. You don't have to go over to another section to see how much is on the mortgage. You don't have to go through the conversation and read what's going on with them, expandable notes. Everything's right there to help you essentially save time anytime that you go into a lead to see what's going on with them. So we have those features out now. And then what's rolling out soon, guys, another feature that's just going to help you save time massively. Super, super excited for all these, but it's another one that I'm really excited about. It's essentially the comping tool. So it'll be full property analysis, comping, and offer range that you can give custom details to for however you want to comp properties. Super excited for that. Be on the lookout for that. Make sure you get onto a paid version of Carrot CRM and you get access to all these features.